Hello all, welcome to our session. This is a 10th standard science class from biology first lesson 12, plant anatomy and plant physiology we are going to discuss in this class. Before that, we want to give introduction. Wherever we go in our surrounding, we have to see the plants. Okay, our surrounding is made up of plants. What is plants? How the plant is formed? That's my question. How the plant is formed? We grow. We know very well from the seed the plant is grow. We know very well. But what is the basic criteria of the plant? That is we want to know. Okay. Here that is from the atom. We know very well. From lower classes we learned about atom. So atom is a very basic tiny particle. It is made up of electron, neutron, proton. We know very well. Okay, that is atom. So the atom, it is made up of electron, proton and neutron. It combine together and form atom. We know very well. And same kind of atom combined together, the tiny particle it combined together, it form a molecule, we know very well. And then cells, same kind of molecules are combined together and it form a cells. Okay. So now the cell, what is cell? It is a basic structural and functional unit of all the living organism, we know very well. Okay, that is cells. So here cell, that is a hexagonal in shape in a plant which is contain nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast and excess organelles like Golgi body, ribosome, centriole, vacuole, etc. and including cell wall. It's a protective layer. These are all present in plant cell, we know very well. Okay, that is cell. And same kind of the cells combine together and it form a tissue. Same kind of the cells are combined together and it form a tissue. Okay. So in this chapter, in this lesson fully we are going to discuss about how the tissue is formed and what are all the types of tissue. Okay, and what are all the different functions of tissue. These and all we are going to discuss in this lesson 12, plant anatomy. Okay, then tissues are combined together and form an organ in the sense that is a plant leaf, stem, root, etc. like that. Plant organs are formed. Finally the organism, the plant whole parts, whole plant body is formed, which is known as an organism. Okay, so this is a origination of a plant. Okay, so now plant anatomy. Plant anatomy. What is anatomy? Ana means under. Tomy means to cut, to divide. Simple. So under to cut. Okay. When we divide that organism, when we cut the organism, we can able to see the internal criteria, internal structure of the organism. So when we divide one plant, example grass, when we take a grass and to divide, when we cut the grass, okay, what are all the internal structure, what are all the internal organs are there, that is known as anatomy. To study about internal structure or inner structure of the plant, which is known as anatomy. Okay, ana means under, tomy means to cut, that thing I told already. Okay, now internal structure. Okay, anatomy means internal structure, which is introduced by the anatomy. That term was introduced by Negame Grew. That is Negame Grew, which is introduced by Negame Grew. The anatomy, the term was introduced by Negame Grew. Okay, so he is a father of anatomy. He is a father of anatomy. Anatomy, what is the study about internal structure of the living organism, not only in plant, both plant and animal. Okay, that is known as anatomy. Okay, what is physiology? What is physiology? Physiology, that is a function. Anatomy in the sense that is an internal structure, and physiology means that is function, okay, to study about internal function, which is known as what is physiology. Okay, so then tissues, already I told in this chapter we are going to discuss about tissues, already I told. Okay, now the tissues is basically two type, that is a meristematic tissue and that permanent tissue. Already we learned in 9th standard, okay, 9th standard second or third term we learned already. That is a tissue is basically two type, that is a meristematic tissue and as well as a function, what is a permanent tissue. Okay, so now meristematic in the sense that is a growing tissue. Meristematic in the sense that is a growing, okay, from that bud, okay, from that bud, that how the plant is formed, like that, from the meristematic in the sense that divisible, okay, that cell is divided, okay, the single cell is divided and to produce many cells and to form a organ, like that. Here the meristematic tissue in the sense it is a growing tissue, okay, which is basically three type. Already we learned in 9th standard. What are all the three types of meristematic tissue? Can you say? That is a three types, that is apical, intercalary and lateral. Okay, apical, intercalary and lateral. Okay, apical in the sense it is helps to the growth of the apical tip of the plant, and intercalary which is helps to grow the branch, okay, helps to growth of the plant, and finally the lateral in the sense it is helps to the lateral growth of the plant. Lateral in the sense the side, okay, the widthness of the plant, okay, it is for the tip. Apical in the sense tip, intercalary in the sense that is in a branch, internode, and finally the lateral in the sense it is a widthness of the plant. Okay, these three are the types of the meristematic tissue. And permanent tissue in the sense we know very well, parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma, okay, and xylem, phloem, these and all, okay, xylem, phloem, these and all the permanent tissue, like that. Okay, permanent tissue in the sense xylem, phloem, etc. Okay, xylem, phloem, what is xylem, phloem? These are all the functional tissues. Functional in the sense they have only one function. Okay, they have to do only one function. They are well developed tissues. They done only one function. It contains only, they have only one function, like that. Xylem in the sense it is transfer water, we know very well. Phloem, it is transfer food and minerals, like that. Each and every permanent tissues are the functional tissues. It have only one function, it is transfer, like that. Okay, transfer something like that. Okay, it is a functional tissues. And tissue system. What is tissue system? We told it already learned in 9th standard. Then tissue system. What is tissue system? Tissues are already we told parenchyma, sclerenchyma, like that, and xylem, phloem, this and all the separative tissues. It contains some function, I told. Now the tissue system, these and all combined together and form a tissue system, I told. Now tissue system in the sense epidermal, ground tissue and vascular, like that. So based on the occurrence, based on where it is located in a plant body, based on that the tissue system are classified. It is basically three type, that is epidermal, ground and vascular. And first one is epidermal. Epidermal in the sense that is outer, that is for protection. First one is protection. Okay. Okay, that stem, based on that simple structure, one of the part is stem we know very well. Okay, when we take a plant stem, okay, the outermost layer which is known as a epidermis. The outermost layer is known as a epidermis, that is a epidermal, where that epidermis is known as a epidermal tissue system, which is give a protection, which is cover the another parts, which give a protection to the internal organs. And next is the ground tissue. Ground tissue in sense except external, that epidermis, that internal organs fully, okay, the internal structure fully. When we take a stem, while we slice that cross section of the stem, when we see that outermost layer and inner circle is there. What is it? That is known as a different kind of the structure is there, that is ground tissue. except the outer layer, that remaining in the inside of the stem, these are all known as a ground tissue, not only in stem, root, etc. Okay, so now ground. Okay, now the ground tissue. Okay, ground tissue system in the sense it is included parenchyma, collenchyma, and as well as sclerenchyma. Three kind of tissues are present in the ground tissue. Okay, that is parenchyma, collenchyma, and as well as sclerenchyma. We know very well already these three tissues are present in ground. These and all contain function. What are the functions are? That is the photosynthesis. It helps to the photosynthesis because it contains a green pigment. Okay, that is photosynthesis and storage of food. Storage of food. Okay, and protection. Okay, and strength. Okay, mechanical support. These and all the different kind of the functions of the ground tissue. Okay, these are all present in cortex, endodermis, pericycle, pith. These are all internal structure of the plant. Okay, and then next vascular. What is vascular, sir? Here next one is the vascular tissue. Okay, finally the vascular tissue system. It is one of the most important tissue system in a plant body. Here two tissues is very important, that is xylem and as well as phloem. We know very well. Okay, the xylem, it is transfer the water, and phloem, which is transfer food and minerals. Okay, these two are present in all parts of the body. It is transfer, it is conduct all food and minerals and water to all parts of the body, from root to the tip of the plant. So whole the part is occupied by the xylem and phloem, which is known as combined together. That system is known as a vascular system, VB, that is vascular bundle. Okay, that xylem and phloem combined together and to form a vascular bundle, which is known as a vascular bundle. Okay, when we take a carrot, when we take a root, when we take a stem, simply we slice that carrot. Okay, when we slice the carrot, the external layer we know very well, that is the outer layer. Internal structure we know that. Okay, have you seen that internal structure? That is xylem structure, like this. And the external structure, that remaining parts fully, that phloem. Have you understand? Okay, so like that each and every vegetables and this stem, like that all the plant parts are occupied by the what is vascular bundle. Okay, so these are all the very important tissues in a plant. Okay, then upcoming classes we are going to discuss about vascular bundle and its type, and what are all the plant and its type, dicot, monocot, like that. Okay, these are all very important in this class. Okay, in this session. Then want to read that. Okay, want to make note and want to read each and every line in your textbook. Okay, upcoming classes we have to discuss vascular bundle and its type, and what are all the types of plants and its internal structure we are going to discuss. Okay, thank you. I'll catch you later. Bye.